What I wanted to show you here is a little, it's called an Alexa gadget. I call him Hey Bear. You can find him on Amazon.com. He's um, he's an Alexa gadget, which means he's like an Echo button in that you need an Echo device to work with. He doesn't have a speaker or a mic, so he's paired with that device. So let's just try him out here. Alexa, what's the weather in Tucson?
Currently, in Tucson, Arizona, it's 98 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun. Today, you can expect high temperatures, with a high of 99 degrees and a low of 67 degrees.
Okay, that's kind of cute. But where the really shines is what I've done here is I have an Alexa routine. I could speak this command, but it's easier to just push a button here. So,
Irene, watch my moves. That's how it's done.
yeah, so you can just write a routine to do that or speak it. And one other thing, for a little fun, I enabled a celebrity voice on here. So I can say, hey Samuel, what's the weather?
Well, since you asked so nicely. In El Dorado Hills, it's 93 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun. Today's forecast calls for more of the same, with a high of 93 degrees and a low of 60 degrees.
Hey Samuel. Hey Samuel, what's on my calendar?
Here are the next four events. Alan's birthday is in progress and lasts all day. Today at 6 p.m. there's make a video of my clock working. Tomorrow at 9 a.m. there's review Samsung Notes. And at 1 p.m. there's Virtual Explorer MTG. Do you want to hear more?
No. Okay, so there you have it. You have to use the Echo device, a daughter show. And if you want a button, there's Echo buttons are available again, which are nice on Amazon. And he's a cute little guy, 30 bucks, not bad. And that's it.